2020 has taught us many things, and we have heard a lot of stories about how difficult it was. Many companies, they ran out of business, many people, they lost their jobs, etc., etc. And if something that 2020 has taught every one of us is that thinking creatively or thinking innovatively or innovating is not just for the companies to do on their products or the services. It's for everyone. It's for everybody to innovate in their professional and personal life, whether you are a CA, a lawyer, a teacher, a student, a working professional, independent professional, artist, anybody. You need to start innovating in whatever you do. And hence, what I have also seen in the last year is that there are a lot of talks about innovation and how is it important and how to do it, how everybody's trying. And hence I thought that it is the right time to discuss about it in a very easy language, because if you see on the internet the research about innovation, it's very complicated. There are a lot of things on the internet, but they are not very common man friendly, like user friendly, like to understand as an individual. You need to be a certain expert to understand those. Hence I thought of doing this series of talks about innovation, and I'm calling it the innovation shorts. Why innovation shorts? Because I like to think innovation as a bottle of expensive alcohol. Why? Because I think when you take an expensive alcohol, first few times you don't really understand why is it so expensive. You don't really have the taste for it. You have to develop a taste for it, for the alcohol, to enjoy it, which takes some time. And also there is no point in rushing through the bottle entirely, because if you do that, it can be messy. You won't enjoy anything. And also once you start developing the taste and once you start consuming it, by the time you reach 70-80%, you feel that you are on top of the world. You can do anything and you are very confident. And as everybody suggests, you should enjoy it in small pegs to really enjoy the complete journey. Hence innovation shorts, which is really short size or very small size of talks that I'll be having here on innovation, one topic at a time. And these will be a series of shorts which, when you consume enough, you say about 70-80% of the whole topic, you will have enough innovation in your bloodstream that you start thinking innovatively, creatively in whatever you do. And that's the hope I have. Now, who is it for? One of the biggest misconceptions that people have is you need to have a certain qualification or a degree to be able to innovate. Like, for example, you need to be an engineer or a designer, something like that. I would say yes and no, a big no. Yes, why? Because I think you definitely need a certain aptitude, a certain intellect to be able to innovate. However, that intellect or aptitude is not tied to your qualification or your degree or your work experience and things like that. Throughout this series of topics, I will prove it to you that irrespective of whatever you do, whatever you are qualified as, like as a doctor, as a CA, as a lawyer, as a teacher, you can innovate in your own field. And as I said in the beginning, this will be a series of talks, so feel free to pick and choose or skip whatever topics and choose whatever topics you think it's helpful, is beneficial for you as per your business need or career needs. We will start with few of the introduction topics and warm-up topics, like what is innovation, how to do, like how to set up for it, how to prepare for it, what is the mindset required, things like that. And moving on, we will be deep diving into the innovation process. What are the steps? How can you methodically do it? How can you teach yourself? How can you prepare yourself to be able to innovate, and so on and so forth. Like alcohol, even innovation is best enjoyed with people, with friends, colleagues, people with whom you can discuss and debate over it. So I would suggest that if you are watching this and you continue to watch, I would suggest you to pull in your colleagues, friends, manager, teachers, students, However, whatever is your setup, after each episode, take these topics and discuss with them, have a debate. It will be a lot more impactful than just listening to these talks. So starting today, I'll try to upload 1 or 2 shorts every week, primarily on LinkedIn, and also I'll archive all these episodes on my YouTube channel, so that later on, if you want to watch it all together or you want to refer at any point of time, you can find all these topics on the YouTube channel. And also I will try to plug in a few Q&A shorts in between based on whatever queries and comments I receive from you guys during the series. So this was just as an introduction about what we will be doing here, and I hope you will have a great time learning and exchanging thoughts about innovation. It will be a great learning for me as well. As I make these videos and put out topics, it will help me grow as a professional as well. So looking forward to this journey, and hope you will enjoy. I am Susovan, and this is Innovation Shorts. Cheers.